here we go. So I just got all the lug nuts off of these wheels on the Super Snake. I told you guys I was getting 315/50 17s. Those just keep on getting delayed, and after calling Mickey T, they're saying a manufacturer placed a huge order for them. So I decided not to get those wheels because I'm tired of waiting. I want to get this car back on the street and I want to hook it up. So instead, I just got 18-inch wheels, and I got 305, 45, 18 Mickey T ET Street R. So pretty excited to see what it can do. And at the moment, I'm taking off these Shelby weld wheels and getting rid of these Mickey T's since just there's nothing left. So I'll be putting on the Michelin Pilot Super Sports, the original tires that come with this car. They'll be testing out what it can do in its stock form. Here we go, got the first wheel off. This is a back right one, and yeah, it's pretty flat. It doesn't get as flat as the GT350R does, but these ones, when they do get flat, you can actually see if I roll this way, you can actually see, I believe, yeah, there you go, the belt. So these ones are toast. Let's go ahead and put on the original Michelin Pilot Super Sports. The funny thing with those is that those Super Sports, they don't hook up that well, really at all. I don't know why Shelby puts those tires on these cars, but it's gonna be interesting seeing what it does and how it handles, because I haven't had those tires on this car for about 2 years. The most difficult part about this, I'd say, is not the fact of changing the wheels itself to a smaller size. It's just that of changing these brakes, because these are pretty massive brakes in the back, and putting on these new 18-inch wheels, I've got to downsize a lot. Good thing is though, Shelby gave me a set of GT500 brakes for the back. I didn't realize how small these brakes were, but they're like that big. So it should work perfectly fine, because I know a lot of people out there are running this 18-inch wheel drag setup with their Demons, for example, and I want to see what this car can do on an equivalent pair of shoes. So hopefully when this comes in within the next week, I'll be able to take this car straight to the drag strip so I can test it out. I'm actually very excited because I did see a review of a Super Snake back in the day, and it said it went 10.6. That was the normal 850 horsepower. So this one, having 200 more horsepower, I think should do very well. These are the Shelby Venice wheels. They are made by Weld, one-piece forged. I do like them. These don't usually come with the Super Snakes. This came with the Super Snake just because it was a signature edition variant, so 1 of 50. And yeah, I do like them. You'll also find these wheels on the Shelby GTs. Today there's a car show in Beverly Hills called the Concours d'Elegance. It's on Rodeo Drive. Usually you see pretty expensive cars out there. It sure will be a lot of fun with these tires back on.
So nice. This
is where the action is, right here, right?
Yeah,
this is the show-off zone right here. This is where shit's gonna get viral.
Just got both drag radials off, and if you check this out, yeah, this is why the Super Snake hooked up so well. Okay everyone, the tires are back on. It is driving actually very good. The thing about it is that you see the Super Snakes being advertised as track cars, which is mainly why they built this car the way they did. It's got all the suspension, it's lowered, it's got the brakes to be a track car. It's got even track tires, which are Michelin Pilot Super Sports. By changing out and getting these new Mickey T's, I think this car has got a lot of potential, and I can't wait to hook it up and take it to the drag strip, see what it can do. So about a week and a half it should take to get here, and then once it's here, I'm going to be taking off these 20-inch wheels. I'll be keeping these for the racetrack because I'm going to still track this car sometimes at the road course. Then I'll be switching them out and putting on the smaller wheels for the drag strip. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to comment down below what you think. Are you happy to see the Super Snake back in action? And anyway, subscribe for much more of the Shelby lifestyle. Thanks for watching again. I'll see y'all in the next video.